Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can use the MetaHuman creator plugin to create your own MetaHuman and make it playable. So let's go. First of all, we were using the third person template. If you don't have it, you can easily add this by clicking add feature content pack and select the third person template here. Then we go to edit, plugins and search for MetaHuman. And here we have the MetaHuman Creator plugin. You just activate it and restart the engine. I already did that. With the new plugin, you can go right click, then select MetaHuman, MetaHuman Character. Just call this test, for example, and open this up. Inside here, you can create your own MetaHuman. We go to presets. Let's choose this one here, just for example. There you go. If you want, you can adjust the body and adjust the head. We can change some materials. We can change the hair if you want. If you're finished with your selection, just select the download texture source. If you are done with this, we select assembly and hit create full rig. Now you can already test the animation. It is pre-selected the idle animation. If you hit play, you have your MetaHuman with the idle animation as an example. Great. Then you select assemble. After that, we got a new folder called MetaHumans. We open this up, we have our test folder and we have our blueprint character. Let's go to the viewport and there's our MetaHuman. Now we want to make this character playable. For that, let's go to the class settings and select our third person character. Let's put the root to the mesh. Then we reset the location and the rotation. We will select the mesh again and search for visible and unchecked visible. As you can see, we need to fix the animation. For that, we are selecting the mesh and go to the skeleton mesh asset. We open this up. Then we go back, select the body and open this up as well. This is our MetaHuman body. We go to skeleton, edit skeleton, as well on the other side, on the Quinn side. Then we go down where we have the IK foot root. We select everything, including the interaction and the center of mass. Copy, go to our MetaHuman, select the root and paste. Apply to asset. We can save this and close this one. We can cancel and close this one. Then we go to our folder again. Go to characters, mannequins, animations, unarmed. And select the animation blueprint unarmed. Right click, retarget animations. We select our MetaHuman body. We select the animation blueprint unarmed. You can ignore this message here. The rest is fine. We say export animations. Go to our MetaHuman folder, create a new one. Animations. Export, export. After that, we have all the animations for our MetaHuman. We select the unarmed one, go back to our MetaHuman and put it right to the animation class. And as you can see, it's already working. We hit compile and save. Go to our project settings, maps and modes, select our MetaHuman. Great, let's see if this works. We hit play. There we have our MetaHuman. We can run around. Everything runs smoothly, including the foot IK. Great. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know and yeah, goodbye.